Hello, this is Chrissy. Today I'm sharing a journal that I've recently completed. This one's for a gift for a friend of my husband and myself, and he was having a special birthday and I wanted to make him something nice. He's a nature lover, loves birds and photos and cameras, and so I decided to make him a nature journal. So this is a decoupage napkin on the cover that I've decoupaged over music paper, and these are all the beautiful feathers. I stamped nature here and made that into a tag on the side, and this is a Tim Holtz Believe charm here. The book is bound with rings, book corners that I've coloured a little bit, and this bead closure. I don't know whether he'll actually use the book, but I have just made it as I would make a normal journal. Whether he uses it or not, I hope that he might get some pleasure from just looking at it anyway. I've put one of my favourite little gratitude verses in the cover here, and I've printed out on this tag the dictionary definition of nature, and that's the back. This is a little vellum pocket here. These are from a book that I had. Many of you will know the book anyway. It's the I forget what it's called, but it does have a lot of beautiful illustrations in it. And our friend's birthday was the 1st of May, so I put the May page from the book. I know he'll enjoy reading these lovely diary entries. Some little tsunami rose ephemera here. I've tied the paper clips with this yarn that I think sort of resembles feathers. I've given him lots of writing space, so as I say, I don't know whether he will actually use the book to write in, but that's okay. This is a pocket I've made here, and got two more. I think there's tsunami rose as well. I'm not sure though. I just thought that was a lovely little words there, so I've printed that out and put that in. I've made a big tag here with a stamped feather and some birds stamping. A little bit of washi tape with butterflies. I always love this little poem here about a little bird learning to fly, so I've put that in there. A belly band here, and I've made another big tag, and on the back I've printed a good snapshot stops a moment from running away, and some cards in there. And that's another decoupaged feather there. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. This is a pocket with an envelope. This is tsunami rose hummingbirds. Beautiful. just got fits in there, and I've ruched some calico down there with that feather looking yarn. Some more washi tape here, made a pocket here, stenciled on. This is 7 Gypsies paper. And we're writing plenty of paper. And some designer paper. Double pocket here. Some tags. And I stuck these little embellishments here. Just an index card that I've stamped on. Little birds down the side. A book page that I've decoupaged a feather on. Stamped down here in the corner. Some little birds down there. More 7 Gypsies paper. And another tag I've made. Some washi tape down here. A postcard. This is an envelope with several pockets. I've stamped on it. Pocket there. Pocket in the top with some big tags in it. And the same on the back. I've glossy accented the eggs in the nest. Don't know if you can see that, but I have. Washi tape. One of my rusted paper clips here. And that attaches an envelope here that opens out. Another of those beautiful book pages. More writing space. A lovely big colourful seed packet. Two tags and a belly band. A little bit of stamping here, in here, in here. Another decoupage feather. And another one here. Postcard stamped onto a coffee dyed, I forget what they're called. More beautiful images and poems and lovely things. This one's just a little page. This is a card, an old card with a New Zealand fantail. A pretty card here. An embossed tag here. And another lovely bird card, and that's more of the beautiful hummingbird from Tsunami Rose. Isn't that lovely? That one's a swallow. Another tag I've made. And another telegram from Tsunami Rose. more of the beautiful pages. Just the writing, the handwriting is just so beautiful. Lovely. And in the back here I've put one of these bags, and in it I've just added some of my old Harrods pages from the catalogue that I've shown you in the past. I know that our friend will enjoy looking at these old pages of all the antique things, and there's some in here with camera bits and pieces, and I know he'll enjoy looking at that, so they're just really for interest. I've put them in there. And that's the back. So that just closes like that. And that's my nature journal. Thanks very much for letting me share. I'll see you next time. Bye.